Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful color. I use 3.5 millimeters hook. Make a slip knot and chaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I made 92 chains in here. You can measure these chains around your head and increase and decrease to these chains. You have your foundation chain. Work being careful not to twist the chain. Insert your hook into first chain, not twist these chains. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1, 2, 3 chains and 1, 2 chains, skip 1, 2 chains, go to next chain, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, 1, 2 chains, yarn over, skip 2 chains, go to next chain, pull through, make 1 double crochet, 1, 2 chains, yarn over, skip 2 chain, go to this chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, go to third chain, pull up yarn, pull through, and continue for this round. I made this stitch, 1, 2 chains, skip 2 chains, go to this chain, 1 double crochet, 1, 2 chains, skip 2 chains, go to 1, 2, 3 third chain in here, slip a stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to top of first chains, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to top of this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, go to top of next double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, make a chain, go to top of next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, make a chain, and continue like this for this round. I make this stitch, make 3 double crochet in last stitch, make a chain, go to top of first chains, slip stitch, go to top of this stitch, slip stitch, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over 1 twice, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through, pull through, yarn over twice, go to same stitch, pull through, pull through, pull through, yarn over twice. Now we have 1 2 3 4 stitches, make 1 chain, pull through twice, skip this stitch, go to between of these 3 stitches, pull through, pull through, pull through, four times, make a chain, one treble crochet, 2 3 4, make a chain, and continue like this for this row. I make this stitch, make a chain, go to top of this stitch, 1 treble crochet, 2 3 4, make 1 chain, go to top of first chains, slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to here like this, insert your hook into this space, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, skip 4 stitches, go to this chain, we have 1 chain in here, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, skip this stitch, go to here, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, and continue like this for this row. I make these chains in last stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to this single crochet, yarn over, go to this, we make 1 single crochet in first stitch, go to this single crochet, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through, make 1 double crochet, make 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, go to this chains, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, go to this chains, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, 1 single crochet, and continue like this. 6 chains, 1 single crochet for this round. In last stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, same as before stitch, go to this single crochet, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 single crochet, and continue. I made 1 2 3 4 5 rows, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, make a chain, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 4 single crochet, go to next chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 single crochet, go to next chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 single crochet in these chains, and continue. I made this stitch, go to last stitch, make 1 2 3 4 5 single crochet, go to first single crochet, slip stitch,